Hi, welcome back. I wanted to just mention that Cummins has released some new campaigns. A couple of them pretty important. One is for ECM replacement, the engine's computer, and that's on some 2350 and some of the new 2450 engines. So I'm guessing it's engines that were made between about 2019 and 2022 up to current, because the platforms are 2350 and 2450. So the topic that they released, or the campaign, says that there could be an overheating condition in the ECM and it might not function right, something to that effect. So how do you know? Well, if you have a quick serve account, you can look it up yourself, and I'll do a video. The next video after this will show you how to look up a campaign if you have quick serve. But if you don't have it, all you need to have is your engine serial number. And you can call any Cummins distributor or any Cummins dealer and just tell them, hey, I want to know if there's any open campaigns on my engine. Here is the 8-digit serial number. And you give them the number, and it'll take them about, if their system's slow, it'll take them a couple minutes to go in and look it up. And if the campaign, if it applies to your engine, it will show that it's there and it's open. And if it doesn't apply to your engine, there just won't be anything there. So I think there's about 3,800 engines that are on the ECM replacement list. And that sounds like a lot, but Cummins makes a lot of engines. So I'll say this, all the engines in our fleet that would fall into that range, and that's a few hundred engines, not one's on that list. So odds are you're not on it, but if you are, then you need to go in and get it replaced and get it taken care of. And the same goes with the campaign for the fuel lines. If yours applies to yours, you should go in and get it done. The last thing you need to know is some campaigns time out. In other words, Cummins might say, if this campaign is going to be good for 5 years. So the warranty on your engine might be 2 years. And then emissions warranty might run up to 5 years or 100,000 miles, and then that's gone. So let's say it's 6 years. And they say that they release this campaign. And I know, for example, the SCR bricks, when they were changing those, even if the engine had no warranty on it and the after treatment had no warranty on it, they were covering that under the campaign warranty. They were paying for it. So some things they pay for a few years, and then there's an expiration date in it, and after it expires, if you need that done, you pay for it. That's just the way it goes. So if you have an engine, you need to, I would say once a year, call and check and see if there's any campaigns, because they may find out something and they decide, oh, we want to change this part. And so they will open a campaign on it. And you might have had the engine for 2 or 3 years. So call and ask. Talk to you next time on Neuro Splendor.